Hi, this is a short demonstration on how the analog tester of our NMEA analyzer XM2A works. A Garmin GPS72 with a serial output will be tested in this video. We connect the test leads to the GPS output cables and start the test. Let's see. Turn on the device and wait until it resets. And now we select Analog Tester and start the test. 5,000 samples are taken and immediately we have the answer. There is a digital signal present. The baud rate is 4,800 bits per second. The high voltage is 5.5 volts and the low voltage is minus 5.5 volts. The GPS works as expected.